Mamema wakwaba emfa umbra GCN page so midin edi adwoa searching. Mesro subscribe to my channel. Founsa mi abe on so. Ube ya notification and se me koso wo me bia obenye bieti anase obenye bia hwe ewo GCN page ha. Sometimes I pity the youth na omo epese NDC esanso eba back eye 2024 about to eba betu. We read the comments on social media. Youth ni bi epese NDC amayuku no ena His Excellency Omampeni Dada John Dramani Mahama eba back. Empo say NPP ena omo opposition ena omani mu ayedin ena youth no epese NPP fo esanso eba back anka still ebeka se bio youth ni bi adwen enye. Enti ni say youth ni ya sorry na CCS ye ni abre ye pese mpenifo no omo eye niama padea. It's about time I sake NPP and NDC efiso. Na ye de third party eba na ye hwenye omo so ebetumi aye aboa oman Ghana. Enya sa fix the country lo ya kwan yo unemployment o ebe koso saa till se Nyankopon ebeba. Na adofo ene nansa ena am robbers ebo young boy a we siso obone bra police ni no fe ewiablikete kete omo boni to ekun no eji sika na omo de eco bank ni na ene se bullion van na sika ne gumo omo de eco no chese nye bullion van ye Toyota car bi ene omo ape box ese de padlock atum enti no chese wo bo utu na chese wu enye bullion van na chese omo atumi a protect na anase omo de bulletproof aya omo bo utu a enka eye normal Toyota car ena police ni no etim enform ho enfa Ghana pani bia ne ho omo ehu sadia se banks bebre ho a omo ni bullion vans cars ni bi wo man mu nanso mpanifo ne enfa ho African ko ane omana asembisi ansa na leaders no take decisions anase omo atumi adwen Africa mu na yewe na ensem no ebeto social media no read the comment na wase na amafo bebre omo nsem omo kan se His Excellency na Dada Akufo-Addo say yen stop galamsey na galamsey na yen stop no won create adwuma bia so say youth no en stop galamsey de ebekoso ane yen din kan en tackle eno youth no mo ka say adwuma ni won yen stop galamsey no aho enti yehwo man Ghana mu a youth ahe ene ye galamsey omo masa comment na they trying to tell us say youth e won man Ghana mu no mo ye galamsey dabi kakra bi na ye galamsey no because adwuma ni o man mu ni ntuni esu yentumi afford the say mo be galamsey ase yensu ase yensase na in the near future no ya bre ya kra ensu yankra ensu o man Ghana mu pohwa ho kira ekọ na ye be kra ensu enti yentumi hwe say youth ni bi ense yensase na yensu no kakra because of the ombedinti no adwuma ni wo betimi aye bibi de adidi so far as wo de ade si wuti wo kan ebe ye wo betimi aye bibi de ahwe ho de enye galamsey nkwa na betimi aboa of course near youth ne kan so baby eyampa senka eba ne say even galamsey say yensu na yensase but the youth ne ye no so mutumi enye bi ede omonsa kromo ano enti nka so omo say galamsey omo say yensu na say His Excellency say ojaya na so kwati ade a na ka mo create jobs na ka youth na abaye se na be yanka ebeboa enti alternative bi ani wona mo so mo nja galamsey no de ebekoso ane but youth ne so no mo ntimi enka say because adwuma ni ho ntimi mo pese mo say yensu no. Secondly, comment amanfo bi ema ne say omo epe omo bompai say 2024 beba na Omampeni Dada John Dramani Mahama wasanso aba back and Ghana youth politicians on be yensenya politicians on be yensenya o hwe youth ni bi comment omo manso a youth ni I say ya cheye mu ebi mo extra say NDC fo na MPP ya sake omo ene ebi mo nso extra say omo twena 4 years Omampeni Dada John Dramani Mahama waba na mpese me bi so Omampeni Dada John Dramani Mahama o be president o man Ghana mu dana wa be president da obey president no o feel so na His Excellency na Dada Akufo-Addo eba yi NDC fo ba ye hu companies bia omo bia pie yo Omampeni Dada John Dramani Mahama president ye hu company bia obi yo ye hu say NDC fo bia companies be 10 omo to me a far youth ni be year adwuma no NPP for buy for the past 5 years biai omo abegu companies na ama na unemployment a rate no high e wo man mu dabi NDC for yesha ankomo abedi o man so bebre esen NPP for but ya Ghana for youth ni yanka yenfa yensa enchire company ba ko pa NDC for bo mo be create ya na so mo ababa ya ama na youth no enya adwuma ye enti se bugu social media na mo ma comment na na do ama no man ni mu aye enti na do nko na maha membra maha man de no ababa ya mo man Ghana and NDC for na they coming to create jobs omo baba na Ghana it say US Dubai na bloggers Ghana bloggers no omo akogo omo go social media no omo ina so uni baby we know where they are coming from Obia ya oyinani me say yes I'm fighting for MPP I'm fighting for NDC but the mo ye na say youth ni ye person man Ghana ni koye dia and now we are sacking MPP and NDC and bring in another party third party of course send be ya omo se be hwe do metin ya but yeah sorry if youth know say we are still continuing say NPP NDC embra next come on at the NDC for no more ya na say ya dia former president atame so wanya ni baby ko abra no ye president na o mampani dada John Dramani Mahama vice no owu yi no na MPP aban betu MP NDC na o mampani dada ma ye president dia ene ka ye ni option bia say ma no mampani dada embra na ye hwe don so betumi aye but here is the case that this man has been president before. He has been president in Omanga name before. Yenim do ye when create jobs. Wamana Ghana to say US, Wamana Ghana to say Dubai. In time the internet said yes has but like what is he coming to do to help? Ghana youth my reason. Na yempe any or yempe other ways for ways and means be for na yenja MPP na NDC. Omasem emfa emomo.
Pam school fees. Near pay me book. Yes, me book what near pam me. Now one hour by yesterday, Ghana 40 minutes ya to Obama obia ya to Obama. It we honorable. It also kasa Ghana for yentio honorable senator. Did you forget what your father did to Ghanaians? Let me speak English because you people know you call yourself say you don't understand Twi, you don't understand Ghanaian language because you was schooling in Europe. So let me speak my common English. Me, I'm not educated. I didn't go to free education. Your father time there was no free education. So I'm trying my best to speak vernacular for you to understand what I'm saying. Your father was a president. J.J. Rollins is my hero. Due to what? J.J. no you papa. On shama kwasya kwan. Eno kwa de na mani chen. So let me go there to the point. Senator, your father was a president. There was a company which Kwame Nkrumah was already paid in Tema. Your father was a president. There was industrials which your father sold it. Your father bent those things. Take it from Ghanaians. And my brothers and my grandmothers are telling me what your father did to them. And I don't have short memory. So I'll still listen to my grandmothers. Because we the youth today, we don't listen to our grandmothers. That is why we are behaving any nonsense things on social media for you to support it. If you was able to know those things, then we know how Ghana was, how Ghana was. And we can tell you that Ghana is already changing. Due to your father, Ghana was struggling. There was no free education. There was no hospital, healthcare system in Ghana. There was not even government buses. Oh, papa, time near the Kabi, and Yakan and Echo from, and Yakaya fro, and Nuna air Juma air trotro. Senator, your father time, and Yakan and air fro, medical school. Nako 4 by ever 2 papa, and what the buses, metro buses, Eban ya fro ye, and a Ghana for the boardia Google metro massing, and ye say no. And to Ghana to Memphis, Ghana for no season, ye problem. Kofoba Fessiano, Zinato papa. edi ade sa tam no ana o akofo ba ye eno ma akofo ye o papa wontimi anya bi o kwa tese ka utwane ndisi kura ese ka utwane bibi foforo ne ehun the kind of mentality or the kind of knowledge you have for Ghanaians. Today you are joining NDC, which means you also going to do the same thing what your father did. That is why you came to social media and you are telling us anything you want to tell us. Okay, say you to know.